I wanted to go over very quickly how to submit an assignment on your Edgenuity account. A lot of the documents that you have to open are going to be Word or PDF documents. So you can't edit them when you're on a browser. Even if it lets you start typing, it won't save this information. So what I want to do is show you how to do this. First thing you need to do is download it. And if you have a Chromebook or you have a laptop, you can download it to your downloads folder, or you can download it directly to your Google Drive. I've already downloaded it once, so I'm not going to download it again. And then we're going to open up a new tab and use a separate program. It's called DocHub.com. And then we can use our Google sign-in by clicking here. I'm going to sign in using a student account. And that's all you need to do. You need to type in just that the student's username, their email, and their password. So then our first step is to import our document, and we're going to import the document from our computer that we just saved. Downloads. If it was in your Google Drive, you would just click here on Google Drive. And then we have our document. We can then use the tools up here. I can type my name. Up here we also have this freehand pen. We can change the color. We can change the width. I'm just going to leave it as black. This next one is a highlighter. You could choose to highlight. But I'm going to go over here to this pen. 4 times 3/8. In the lesson they taught you, you can go to 3/8, and we're going to do 4 of these. They can count over each time 3/8, 4 times, and they're going to get something that looks like this. And then they would do it for all of their document. Then when you're completely finished, you're going to go up here. There's a downloads button, or if you click this drop down, you can also download it here. So when you go to download it, again, you can download it to your computer or your drive. This makes it easy for Chromebook users. Going to hit download, and it downloaded. Now, they want you to change the name to something very specific. So instead of changing the name after you download it, you can click up here in the title and change the name here. So if they wanted me to save my name, math, and this was, what activity was this? 7, lesson 1. So I'm going to do 7.1 because it was module 7, lesson 1. So if I change the name up here before I save it, then that changes the name so that when I upload it, it will be correct. So then I'm going to go over here to this plus sign. I went back to my lesson. I'm going to attach a file. If it was in Google Drive, I'm going to click here. If it's on my laptop, I'm going to click attach file. Then I have to click choose. And then here it is. And here's the one I downloaded with the same name. When I change the name, it shows up here. I'm going to click upload. And then I still need to click submit my work. And because I'm logged in as a student, I'm not going to do that. But I just wanted to give you an example of how to do these assignments. If you are doing them digitally and you don't want to print it out and do it on paper, we don't want to require you to do that. So there is a method of using this DocHub.com to do your work with. If you have any other questions, please let me know. I would be happy to help.